Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up a PayPal account. First, navigate to the PayPal website or download their mobile app. You will then choose between a personal account for everyday use or a business account for commercial transactions. After selecting your account type, you will provide your email address and create a secure password, ensuring it is unique and strong for your protection. Next, you will fill in your personal details, including your full legal name, current address, and a valid phone number. PayPal will send a 6-digit code to your phone for verification, which you must enter to proceed. For added security, you will also select and answer 2 security questions, which are crucial for recovering your account if you ever forget your password. To fully utilize your PayPal account, you need to link a payment method. You can connect a bank account by providing its routing and account numbers, or link a debit or credit card by entering its details. For bank accounts, PayPal sends 2 small deposits, typically under $1, which you will confirm on the website within 2 to 3 business days to complete verification. Finally, confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Sometimes, PayPal may request additional identity verification, such as a government-issued ID, to lift transaction limits. Once verified, your account is ready. You can now securely send and receive money, make online purchases, and manage your finances with ease, enjoying the full benefits of PayPal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.